Question 121. How do you approach integrating cloud services into academic projects while ensuring data security and compliance with regulations such as FERPA or GDPR? When integrating cloud services into academic projects, I first conduct a thorough assessment of the requirements related to data protection. This includes understanding the specific regulations, such as FERPA for educational records or GDPR for personal data. I ensure that the cloud provider complies with these regulations by reviewing their security certifications and agreements. Additionally, I implement access controls, encryption, and regular audits to maintain data integrity and confidentiality. Training faculty and staff on compliance practices is also crucial, as it fosters a culture of awareness regarding data security. Question 122. Describe your experience with continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD, in academic settings. How do you implement CCD pipelines for research projects? In academic settings, I have utilized CCD pipelines to streamline the development and deployment of research software. I start by establishing a version control system, like Git, to manage code. For C, I leverage tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions to automate testing whenever code changes occur. This ensures early detection of issues, improving software reliability. For deployment, I configure automated processes to deploy applications to cloud environments or on-premise servers, ensuring that researchers can access the latest versions of tools and applications. Regular monitoring and feedback loops help refine the pipeline, enhancing overall project efficiency. Question 123. What strategies do you employ to troubleshoot technical issues during academic presentations or workshops? To troubleshoot technical issues during academic presentations, I prepare by conducting thorough pre-event checks on all equipment, including laptops, projectors, and internet connections. I create a checklist of potential issues and corresponding solutions, which I keep handy. During the presentation, I maintain a calm demeanor and communicate effectively with the audience, letting them know I'm addressing the issue. If a problem arises, I quickly assess whether it's a hardware or software issue and switch to backup equipment or alternative methods, such as sharing my screen via a mobile device. Post-event, I document the issues encountered and improve my preparation for future presentations. Question 124. Can you discuss your experience with developing curricula that incorporate technology and innovative teaching methodologies? My experience in developing curricula that integrate technology involves collaborating with faculty to identify learning objectives and suitable technological tools. I advocate for a blended learning approach, combining traditional lectures with online resources, allowing for diverse learning styles. I design interactive modules using platforms like Moodle or Canvas, incorporating multimedia resources and collaborative tools. I also encourage the use of gamification to engage students and enhance retention. Regular feedback from students helps refine the curriculum, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. By fostering an environment that embraces technology, I aim to enhance the educational experience and prepare students for the digital workforce. Question 125. How do you assess the effectiveness of educational technologies in the classroom? To assess the effectiveness of educational technologies, I employ a combination of qualitative and quantitative metrics. I begin by defining clear learning outcomes and aligning them with the technologies used. Surveys and feedback forms are distributed to gather student perceptions on usability and impact on learning. I also analyze performance data, such as grades and participation rates, before and after implementing the technology. Additionally, I conduct classroom observations to assess engagement levels. By triangulating these data sources, I can accurately ascertain whether the technology enhances learning and where improvements can be made. Question 126. What role does cultural fit play in a collaborative academic environment, and how do you foster it? Cultural fit is vital in a collaborative academic environment as it influences team dynamics, communication, and overall productivity. To foster cultural fit, I prioritize open communication and inclusivity, encouraging team members to share their perspectives and ideas. I promote diversity by actively seeking input from individuals with varied backgrounds and experiences. Regular team building activities create a sense of belonging and strengthen relationships among colleagues. I also emphasize shared values and goals, ensuring that everyone understands the mission of our projects. By cultivating a positive culture, I aim to enhance collaboration and drive successful outcomes. Question 127. Describe a situation where you had to implement a new software tool for academic purposes. What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? Implementing a new software tool, such as an online grading system, presented several challenges. Initially, resistance from faculty was a significant hurdle due to concerns over the learning curve. To address this, I organized training sessions, demonstrating the tool's benefits and providing hands-on practice. I also created user-friendly documentation and established a support channel for ongoing assistance. Another challenge was ensuring data migration from the old system, which required meticulous planning and testing to avoid errors. By collaborating closely with IT and offering continuous feedback, we successfully transitioned to the new system, resulting in improved efficiency in grading processes. Question 128. How do you stay current with emerging educational technologies, and how do you evaluate their potential impact on teaching and learning? To stay current with emerging educational technologies, I engage in continuous professional development through workshops, webinars, and conferences focused on edtech innovations. I subscribe to relevant journals and follow thought leaders in the field to keep abreast of trends and research. When evaluating new technologies, I assess their alignment with our educational objectives and conduct pilot tests to gather preliminary data on usability and effectiveness. I also solicit feedback from faculty and students to understand their experiences and perceptions. This comprehensive approach allows me to make informed decisions about adopting technologies that can enhance teaching and learning outcomes. Question 129. Explain your experience with data analytics in academic settings. How do you utilize data to inform decision-making? My experience with data analytics in academic settings involves collecting and analyzing student performance data to inform curricular and instructional decisions. I utilize tools like Tableau or Excel to visualize trends, such as course completion rates and student engagement metrics. By conducting cohort analyses, I can identify areas where students struggle and adjust instructional strategies accordingly. I also advocate for data-driven discussions among faculty to explore insights gleaned from analytics, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. This approach not only enhances student outcomes, but also supports strategic planning at the departmental and institutional level. Question 130. Discuss your approach to mentoring students and fostering their academic growth. What specific strategies do you employ? My approach to mentoring students centers on building strong, supportive relationships that encourage their academic growth. I start by establishing open lines of communication, ensuring students feel comfortable discussing their challenges and aspirations. I employ active listening techniques to understand their needs better. I set specific, achievable goals with them and provide guidance on academic resources, such as tutoring or workshops. I also encourage participation in research projects, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Regular check-ins and constructive feedback help students stay on track and build confidence in their abilities, ultimately contributing to their success. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.